Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my beloved brothers and sisters of Amazonia. You are hearing from Honorable Colonel Arthur John, the spokesman of the Amazonia Police. Once more, I came today because of our revolution. And nothing will come out from my mouth other than the truth. While you're listening to Colonel Arthur John, just click the share button and you share. That is as normal as possible as you can, so other people can join and hear what Colonel Arthur John, the spokesman of the Amazonia Police, is about to say today. However, I'm going to present to you people that is the agenda for today, Tory. Now, Tory that we did the agenda this is Tory for today. So, if you wanna look at the agenda, you could touch nearly all corner them. You could touch nearly all corner for revolution, because the current situation of ground zero is disastrous. So we give a touch all corners them. I don't like anything them. Me bush followers them begin to try to torment ground zero, do this, do that, do this, do that. So Colonel Arthur John today, he can make things clearly. Me all my understand them. After seeing the agenda, me I start. The first thing we Colonel Arthur John could talk today now say, I want to thank those who actually started this revolution. I want to thank them. Despite some of them be for jail right now. Some of them, they be for unknown destinations. We don't know play with them DVD. So what we need to actually thank the people them where they start this revolution. So that is the first thing I will talk about. And the next thing I want to talk about today, I want to talk about the IG. Nobody is bigger than the IG, or the IG is not bigger than any person. The revolution is for Amazonia. The revolution no be na revolution for one person. Na revolution for all Amazonians. So I will talk about the IG today. And the first thing I will talk about the IG today, it could be about what IG is doing, what they have done so far, and what they need to do so far. That's why I will talk about all these people that own as their list of this paper today. So I could start with the IG, because the IG is our government. My brother, my sisters, IG now government. And I believe say majority at least 7.5 million Amazonians out of the population of 8 million Amazonians. They stand with the IG. I believe so. Wait me, we Amazonia Police them, they don't discover them. They say IG is leading us towards the good destination since the kick-off of Milan Athens. Since we Milan Athens come out for IG the lead with a good destination. Because with Milan Athens inside IG, things they know they go good. But without Milan Athens inside IG, then things then they go correct now. Colonel Arthur John can confirm before Amazonians them say, if they so IG did do the right thing. Even on self-defense basis, IG did do the right thing. Most of you people who now want to say me they come for SCBC, come announce for they say IG don't do this operation, do this operation. That is wrong. It's wrong. It be wrong for now to begin the thing say me IG come announce say they don't do this operation, they don't do that, they don't do that, they don't do this. So we need to understand the way the game they take place. IG do nearly on most best for the operations then. No ever I say expect IG, me IG come for as I come talk say IG don't go fight for this, they don't go do that, they don't go do that. No. They did do. Since the formation of the ASC, Amazonian Self-Defense Council, headed by South Frontier, we don't see result for which will happen. But no matter how we wait it happen, so evil people and individuals then they notice this way IG did one. IG is actually active with self-defense. IG is actually active with self-defense. So now the thing that what they talk and we now understand them. IG did do it almost best, 100%, even more than any other person since when the revolution start. Wait, where IG don't do them, the newly IG don't do them for self-defense. No person never do them. Me no man no begin the expect me IG can talk say IG don't fight this, fight that, fight this, fight it. No. If you do that, you don't ever hear someday Russia go fight for some place, talk say now they fight. When Russia fight, they say na US fight. When China fight China, they say na US fight. When US fight US, they say na Russia fight. When US fight US, they say na China fight. When any NATO country fight, they hold na Russia out them. Understand this. Na so a diplomacy the function. We need to understand now. Me the blind head people the way they wake up, get the proud for the take credit. Me they be wise enough. Me they be very, very wise. When I look the current situation, wait the pass for Syria. Where US go through a chemical weapon, US go turn home na Russia, but where Russia no do anything. So that's what they did one. No expect IG come out, come announce for Amazonians. They say they don't do this, they don't do that, they don't do this, they don't do that. Okay. That way that one make and cause plenty people they don't text Amazonia police them. They ask the inbox say, wait the IG don't do so far. Wait the IG don't do so far. But I confirm before now, since the outgoing of Milan Atempe inside IG is doing a marvelous job. IG is doing a marvelous job. IG is doing a marvelous job. I will repeat and I repeat and I repeat. Because which way IG did do one, no person never ever do one. The one wrong thing about the IG is not perfect. Human beings are not perfect. I know why they have talk them. Because this is already a decision of the Amazonia police. One wrong thing the IG is doing, us, the Amazonia police, we may also be wrong. We may be wrong also. We want to conscious the IG to stand up for this wrong thing. If they say, IG, we know say no revolution without diplomacy. We know this. We know say you carry, you do your utmost best for diplomacy. We know say you look history. You look history for do diplomacy. All these things we understand IG, they look all these things before they make move. But IG, us, the Amazonia police team, this is a decision. We voted about it to talk about this. We decided to say, IG, you be government, but we no one say, me you put all your eggs them inside one basket. We no one say me IG put their eggs them inside basket. One basket. If you, any person will listen me or those that will listen afterward, they feel confirm say their grandma me don't ever tell them for their country talk say no put all your eggs them inside one basket. Now one wrong thing this way I want me IG understand now. And the same way we will talk this thing, immediately say we want me IG know, we know say IG be active for action. Now, as we they announce my trip to Boyana, all about actions, they meet up with that. They match up with that. What you want to talk about, me IG adjust them. Me IG adjust them. be the fact say IG did do diplomacy, but considering probably one nation, and the nation is United States of America. But this will not work. We want to tell IG this one. IG, we know you do look history. We know say we not be elders them. We not be papa them. We not be doctors them, professors. They will not read all kind of book. Following the 21st century will be for the currently, the matter goes thus. No NATO nation shall fight against another NATO nation. France is currently controlling La République. There shall be no way United States of America will trade their friendship with France in order to defend Amazonians. There shall be no way in this war United States of America will trade their friendship with France, Britain, in order to assist Amazonians. Come rain, come sun, you like or you argue. If we argue, me go argue with ancestors them. Me no come argue with Colonel Arthur John and tell you na fact we difty. Even after 20 years, United States of America no go look we, they no go do anything. When you want to talk so you understand, or you like na resources, or you like na play where they make plenty money for day. Ask yourself this question. What is United States of America gaining from Amazonia? And you ask yourself, what is France gaining from Amazonia? Join the two together, wait till the two they gain up together for each other. Then you can understand what I mean. When you compare the two, wait till they gain up, get them from Amazonia. Then you compare them with what are the terms of how much United States and France the trade them per day, just per day. You can understand say the money where France and US they collect them from Amazonia for 1 year, you know, reach their money for 1 week where they trade between them. So you think say some man could day where this simple way could make gain for the we could go for chuki for the go begin the fight against you. That is impossible. It is mission impossible. So Amazonia police they really call on the IG to stand up with this matter. Do not put your eggs inside one basket looking after United States of America. We want to hear you say, we know say you did look other options then. We be very, very aware. Say IG did look other options, they will lovely other pay them. But matter we did them say, we want conscious IG. Me they not be only being the put 60% for US, being the put 40% for other pay them. That one where you reflect them, wait to grandma, me talk say you put all your eggs there for one basket, you know waka. IG put 20% effort for United States of America, and you look elsewhere also. Amazonia police them could suggest before una now also see one option wo una fi look am. One option wo una fi look am na Russia. The next option way Amazonia police they fi suggest una, the next option wo suggest una na Iran. Iran, not Iraq. Iran. Now another option. The next option way Amazonia police they go suggest for IG na Turkey. No matter Turkey is part of NATO. We don't see what Turkey they do. United States of America. Those are the powerful nations. I believe if Amazonia if IG represent with case before their officials in the legal manner, in the proper way, come rain, come sun, they go respond for me. Come rain, come sun, they could respond for me. Now suggestion that we want suggest for IG. We know me IG no only begin the thing of US. Because no way, no day way US and France go fight each other. No one day. They no fit. They no fit domo. So now the thing away day. So when matter they will give a talker with the talker. We need to talk spare somebody. Amazonia police, they are there to promote good and condemn wrong and provide advice to see Amazonia free. That is our motto. We all post the way Amazonia police they post on their official page. We always make it very clearly for this. We promote good and condemn bad. So now the matter that DVD. So we call on IG. Take your percentage, you split around. No, we couple it depend on United States of America. Because no be only them, they go free homeland. No be only them, go see we through. So that is the matter we did. We are at war. Now wait that I want to talk about IG today. IG, continue your self-defense. Because without you, by now, probably have already finish up with people them inside ground zero. Now, because of IG, we don't make them ground zero. It no be this way. I have a go to fire, set to people them for they run away. Now, IG, they go try to defend homeland. Yeah, other people, others, they no only IG, they defend homeland. No be only IG, because I know others who are fighting, who are not part of the IG. I know them. When I reach for the people there, I could talk about them. So IG, continue your operations. We are begging on you people, my fellow brothers and sisters. Push things more ahead. So that is the matter. Amazonia police is out to talk about it today. So that is it. About IG. I will go back to IG at the end of the matter. Some people, some Amazonians, they don't text me. They ask me, say, why be say, I want to talk something more privately. So Amazonians, they don't text me, say, Ayaba don't make some posts. This is more personal about Colonel Atajon. My followers, them. I want clear the air before now. So I want clear the air before now. Mona understand now. Wait away before they be say Ayaba. He don't make some post, some picture. He looks some picture poster online say that Colonel Atajon. Stop giving the call the person name say name na Barnabas. Oh wait. My friends, they don't come for me. They ask me for inbox. Say, is that you, Colonel Atajon? Please tell us. I want to take this opportunity to clear the air before Amazonians. One, first and famous, that is not Colonel Atajon. Before man and God get this, a water is sufficient. That is not Colonel Atajon. And Colonel Atajon is not from Queen. Colonel Atajon is half Bali, half Bakosi. Half Bali, half Bakosi. I always say this. Any way now from Bakosi, if you like him, he write to come and say be Bakosi, I go talk Bakosi language if you me understand. So no joke, being the believe Ayaba do. Ayaba try to do all those things there for sabotage Colonel Atajon because Colonel Atajon they talk true about Ayaba. Since we catch Ayaba, where Ayaba they use the profile Yamafoka, Ayaba don't use all kind of strategy for sabotage Colonel Atajon. So that is not Colonel Atajon. Secondly, Colonel Atajon no smallness over skin. Colonel Atajon na my way he get physiques, 6-pack for your body. Do you understand? So that is not Colonel Atajon. I don't clear air before my fans them today. Mona get and once. and Ayaba they do that thing just because Colonel Atta John na highest nightmare. Na nightmare for Ayaba and AGC. Money no dey enter again for AGC because Colonel Atta John don't expose AGC. So Ayaba is very wounded. He is wounded like a lion. So that is the truth. Believe nothing coming out from Ayaba. That is Colonel Atta John. It is not Colonel Atta John. If you doubt, if you want doubt, those that know me, there are people in this revolution that know Colonel Atta John. Example, Ko-An. She's federalist. No matter she is federalist, it does not mean she's my enemy. She know who Colonel Atta John is. She's making fun of this foolish AGC, desperate people, scammers, trying to sabotage the image of Colonel Atta John, calling Colonel Atta John a scammer. What is the definition of a scammer? The definition of a scammer is somebody that you try to convince people and collect money from them for this purpose, and you do not perform your own part of the deal. So that is a scammer. So wait, I don't ever collect for Amazonians, they get the term scammer. Wait, I don't ever collect them. People already contact me, try way to support me. Me at night take money. At night take any money from any Amazonian. I refuse to take any money from any Amazonian because I be there, because we are honest for real and real. So we are there ready to counter any thief in this revolution. That is why Ayaba is wounded like a lion. Ayaba is officially the person who is using the profile Yamafoka Koloba. I track him down. I catch him. People they will now doubt and I doubt him. Me, I track Ayaba. I catch Ayaba. Ayaba now they try to sabotage my name. People they were ready to doubt. Say Colonel Atta John catch Ayaba. Say Colonel Atta John catch Ayaba. When I look my phone now my phone that today. Now if they are catch Ayaba, I IP them. Ayaba don't unfriend me because with the profile Yamafoka Koloba because I catch Ayaba lively for the IP address. I set tools, apparatus them for teaching technology. Say Amazonia police, we are real for real. We are not making fun of any ramshackle things. So that is why Ayaba is trying to sabotage the image of Colonel Atta John. Ayaba, come rain, come sun. You are in Europe. Go to the Schengen information system. Go there and you dig to know who is Colonel Atta John. My names are Colonel Atta John. IBP passport na Colonel Atta John. I bought my La Republic ID card last time. The names there were Atta John. So no beginning make try to sabotage the image of Colonel Atta John because you are too small, Ayaba, for these ramshackling things. You are too small. You are too small, Ayaba. Ayaba, you know I have your deep secret. All your deep secret that I've been planning to expose them step by step. After I start expose you, you decide now to fake name, say my name na Barnabas. Sorry you, I'm so sorry you to tell you. That was too cheap of you, Ayaba. Yamafoka Koloba Aka Ayaba. So keep on with your scamming strategies, but that will not stop Colonel Atta John from exposing you, Ayaba. So now I want to share another personal purpose, clear the air for una. Muna understand them. Say Barnabas is not Colonel Atta John. So that is official to my followers. So the next thing I go to talk am. Now about 20th May. I want to ask Amazonians then, what will be pleasing you? What will be pleasing you to go to celebrate a National Day of La Republique in our land? After our people have been burned inside their houses. So this no be fair. No be na matter this. This matter be very serious. My brother and my sisters, Colonel Arthur John want make the thing very straightforward. If any person the chop Mami Coco in a discussion, me ego say you want go celebrate 20 me. I want to take the opportunity also. I tell Amazonians, they say, if you see any Atta's family where he go for march for 20 May, kill him. Tell them, say, Colonel Atta John don't give authority, me they kill them. There shall be no 20 May in Amazonia. Come rain, come sun. Pobia will not bring us Mami Afi. Pobia will not bring us Akun Julius. Pobia will not bring us so many other our brothers and sisters being killed by La Republic. Pobia no go bring them. So, wait to codify we for go celebrate 20 May. My brother and my sisters, una look at me, see, to be serious. Any man way come off outside say go 20 May. I beg you, na beg him. Bossy head, look bottle, stand for far distance where you know they see you. Ground zero, we trust you can do this. Any man way they go for 20 May, stand for far distance, broke bottle, wipe your head, do tap, say, jump, kill him. No problem, no day. Any man way go for 20 May, me the teen up, kill him. Me the kill him. Me they kill him, not kill him. Me they know if he spay. I know if you want anything, say they arrest him, not arrest him. Put him for 6 feet one time. Any man where it go for 20 May, me they put him for 6 feet. No exception. No exception. For inside Amazonia. If you want to celebrate 20 May, pack your thing out of all your clothes them out of Amazonia. Go for La Republic, go remain for the. Never you come back, you return in our land. That way, I want to come. So, if any man the chop Mami Coco in this crashy, me go 20 me. Me go 20 me. Me they throw away acid for their face them. Peel their face them. That way they give the dwarf because of this 20 May matter. This enough is enough. President Ayuk Sco, where is he? He's in jail. Patterson, where is he? He's in jail. Where is Macho BBC? He's in jail. Where is Senator Peterens? In jail. Pa Fongala and many others, they are in jail. What is pleasing you to go there? You want to go and be marching, celebrating National Day. Me, somebody try the nonsense. Somebody try the nonsense. One woman, they no understand. All these people that they call themselves federalists. Padia Sanga. You were there for Hamburg. And also you go to Berlin Embassy for go match. Go for the go match. We could know inside Germany. Me and you all there inside Germany, Padia Sanga. We could understand there. We could understand the code way it could happen for the. Padia Sanga, I tell you, the sound is warning for you. You get up there very well, Padia Sanga. Because 20 May for inside Amazonia, na crime. Na crime. The punishment. Or any person who celebrate 20 May try to delay our revolution with them, na crime. Any person who do one, the end result is 6 feet. 6 feet. No spare any of them. No sorry any of them. No tear any of them. Say you could leave them. You could do this, do that, do this. No spare them. No arrest them. Kill them, not kill them. Catch them, kill them. That is the operation. Catch them, kill them. Catch them, kill them one time. Now wait till I talk. Because wait till the police for come on say me the parents keep your kids at home. If you love your kids with all your heart, all your mind, mommy them, papa them, una carry the pikin for you, mommy, you carry the pikin for your womb. For 9 months, they grow up every day, they wake up fit up. They cry at early age. Every morning time. See, if you love the pikin, keep the pikin for house. Me no pikin no go say you want go match. For any part for Amazonia, we know what's here. We know what's here. No machine. No nothing. Say 20 May celebration for inside Amazonia. If any parents A word to a why is sufficient. Those that have ears, let them hear. Do not say, oh, had I know, when the storm is already over. No talk, oh, had I know, when we already throw it as it will kill you up, king. Because we no despair. We no despair. Any people come off the road with school uniform, we kill him, na kill him. We did kill him, na kill him. We go kill him, na kill him. We go kill him, na kill him. Any people, we any parents where the chop mommy cocoa in this crash, you love your kids, keep them at home. Keep your kids at home. Keep your kids at home. Do not take your kids. No endanger the life of your kids because we no go spare them. We no go look their face them. No 20 May in Amazonia. No 20 May in Amazonia. No 20 May in Amazonia. Fellow Amazonians, please be a security officer on that 20 May. Your neighbor, if you go drop kin, or you go match, put fire the house, burn your house. Burn your house, no problem, no day. Burn am, no problem, no day. So now the matter that no 20 May in Amazonia. In Amazon, there shall be no 20 May in Amazon. Come rain, come sun. There shall be no 20 May in Amazon. La Republic, go begin the match you want. Na your cup of tea. We go vagash on up tap city one by one. Okay. Next thing, how would we talk about? Colonel Arthur John could talk now about family of our brothers and sisters in jail. Okay. My brother and my sisters, I want to take this opportunity and talk before Amazonians them see. Our brothers are in jail. They committed no crime. They committed no crime. You cannot do a peaceful protest and Pobia will arrest you and jail you. They did no crime. Where then they for jail. I know see most of you they try to help with brothers them. With brothers and with sisters them back for jail for Konange and for all in Buchis. But my brother and my sisters them, I want to take this opportunity. I plead on all Amazonians. I'm pleading on all Amazonians. I'm pleading. This is the decision from the Amazonia police. We want to plead before my lovely Amazonia brothers and sisters that please let us help the family of our people in jail. We understand the situation for Ground Zero. Understand the situation, how a single mother can take care of the whole family in the absence of the husband, while she was jobless, she was not working. We understand that kind of situation. We understand the things. We understand everything. If you look into it in and out of all the matter, you can understand. Say, example, Mancho BBC, Senator Payne Terence, Bata Saint's wife, with kids, all of them they have kids. That's just an example. There are many people with such situations also. So then they have jail now. They know how we expect say their family the chop now waiting. Then the wait will really expect how they the chop. There is unemployment in Amazonia. There is unemployment. Not in large public different treat really second class citizens. So now the matter is we will they abroad. Who take this opportunity, let us assist the family of Mancho BBC, Senator Payne Terence, and others, just to name a few of them. If you help their family, them, you make them to smile at this in jail. This is the honest truth I'm telling you people, my lovely brothers and sisters. If you help these people, then their family, the way we would help not them. Because if you communicate with these people, them, you can understand, say, Mancho a wife, money no day. Picking these sick, sometimes go hospital, they want to go hospital no day. So, my brother and my sister, them, I want beg Amazonians, they say, we do something to help the families, them, with them. Me, well, if I help this family, them, financially, me, scammers, they no take the opportunity to try to exploit situation and scam Amazonia. Please, my brother and my sisters, them contact any reliable source to assist these people, to assist their family. You can assist their family. If you contact Mancho BBC, your wife, you contact them, you reach her, you discuss with her, you assist them. You contact Senator Penterens, you assist your wife. You contact Pastor say Wilfred, your wife, you talk with them, you assist them. Even a 1,000 is enough. Even a $1 is enough. Even a 1,000 is enough. Somebody did talk now say na IG gave it to him. I beg you, hold your skin for day. Me, no be IG send me. I did talk wait way Amazonia police then decide them. IG did do their own part. Others, the individuals and they did already do their own part. So no concord try to counter me for wait while they talk. Because this is, please assist our people. Let us assist our people. Let us look into their family. If you lack contact for any of them, contact them. But if you contact Colonel Atajon for WhatsApp or for Facebook inbox, I always reply your message. I'll be very friendly for the for assist you people then for assist Mancho BBC wife, Senator Penterens. I get all their contacts them. I will share the phone number with you. But if you think say Colonel Atajon will give you a fake phone number for assist them, then I beg you, I beg. Find the phone number from another reliable source. You assist them, please. But one thing, Saudi Cameroon Police Kotong say, if we ask assistant to assist the family of our brothers in jail, we need to receive money. Us, Amazonia Police, we don't receive any money in the name of assisting our people, our brothers back on ground zero and their family. If you feel like a good Samaritan, you want to assist Mancho BBC or Senator Penterens, their wife them, then if you give you the contact number, you reach them. You want to send a wire them, anything you wire them, no problem. Even a 1,000 is appreciated. Even a 500 or $50, 50 cents, it is appreciated. No exception. Even a 10 day, una gain a €1 or $1, una join them, una be join a be $20, una transfer and pay. War money remit day. War money remit day for transfer money worldwide is very cheap. It be very, very cheap for assist our brothers them, their wives them. Please let us do something and assist their family. No be not them waiting there for jail. If we want Mancho BBC to smile, let Mancho BBC's wife be able to tell Mancho BBC say, these people they don't send me money. I buy job they for picking. Me I take picking. I go hospital. Me I pay house rent. Me I do this. Senator Penterens, same situation like that. Where you want them happy in jail, we need to do something for this way for assist them. Please feel very free to contact Colonel Atajon for their phone numbers to assist them. If you want call I beg you na beg more assist Mancho BBC, Senator Penterens, Ngalem, and many others in jail. We get lists for all them for jail, their families them. We know how the situation be. We know how well our public they do the treat we. Please, my lovely brothers and sisters, feel free to reach Colonel Atajon. I will provide their phone numbers for you. I get the phone numbers them. I get a one who really do something for them to make Mancho BBC smile. Make Mancho BBC smile. Some people will talk say Mancho BBC, all family they abroad. Do this, do that. We know situation abroad are also difficult. Sometimes in this so you collect salary today abroad. You finish in the next of 10 minutes with bills and ballot letters them for you for settle all those things. Sometimes they you not even get money for settle anything for chop. So my brother and my sister say, move do something for Mancho BBC, Senator Penterens them, and I'm just calling these two people so that Muna understand. Say we people in the jail, their families them out of jail, they need help. No be not saying only man to BBC and saying that open terror will help them, but if you help plenty them. If you help plenty of them. Una don't say Ayaba don't come. Ayaba don't come. Una don't say Ayaba foka kuluba. Na Ayaba he don't come for listen me. So more help with people them, Mancho, BBC, all of them. Senator Pinterest, let's help their families. Let's help them. Please contact Colonel Atajon. Contact Colonel Atajon, please, for their for the phone numbers of their wives to assist them. Feel free to reach me inbox. Your message should always be replied. If you are Bambi, I could also reply you. So my brother, my sisters, the revolution is real. They are in jail for me and your sake. For me and your sake. They committed no crime. But Monster Pobia put them in jail. So at the Begna Baker, we'll do something. We help their family them. We help them. Let's help them, please. Please. No, ain't no exception. Even a curse. Even a one bag rice, if you know fear has to give money for people then. Because of people then, so saying they say people they don't give money for people. Say they prefer now for biting, put up down me, the people they take up down. Yes, no problem, because people they fear say me or something or juju. So no problem. If you buy in a rice post up for them, problem no day. That would be very, very appreciated. So that's the thing. Even if you buy beans or any job you assist them with them, or you want to go pay in a direct hospital bills for them, for their kids and their family, that is very, very appreciated. My beloved brothers and sisters, let us think well and assist our brothers' families. Please, that is it. That is what I got to say about the family of our brothers and sisters in jail and in Buchis. So now, I will talk about refugees. Colonel Atajon could talk about refugees. My brother, my sisters, we all there abroad, so refugees they will know how many brothers then they be work out for inside bush them. They don't even get blanket for cover them. Some of them the cover now lift them for dry plants if inside bush with grass for their skin. Some of them they sleep without anything them. Mo do something. More try do something for assist with people them, for assist refugees them. My brother, my sisters them. See, we know say associations and the way they assist we brothers them. But so individuals they don't use now the opportunity say they want help refugees them. They do not scam by scam. So this is unaccepted. So based on this, at the Beguna na Beka, Muna try we reach Bongo, Secretary of Health of the IG. Bongo, Muna reach her to assist refugees. You can still assist refugees direct. So now the thing that we DVD. So now the matter that we DVD, we try we do something for the refugees. They will contact with Sister Bongo, Secretary of Health. We send their way to get her. They don't need only money, clothes, anything. Even a man trust for help them. Help them, no problem, no day. No problem, no day. Help them in any way. If you want contact na Aya's family, Ayapo Foundation for assistance, do them, no problem, no day. But all these other new formations them for foundations them now na scams. When I will reach for the next point, I could give example for the scams them. So when I job for now, it is neutral. I need to call any person name, no beside fear somebody. I could call the person name when I reach for the I could call them. Because I need to fear no person for the revolution. So wait till David I say, my brother and my sisters, them help the refugees through the right way. Do not no begin to be really strong, begin to carry your money, they send have scammers. They say me they go do something with them. Me they go take the money, go to fight over the money for Brussels, for Brussels and Antwerp. They go to fight for share money for the steady broke people, their head they move bottom. So all those matters them, please assist the refugees the right way, the right source, please. Or you can reach the refugees. When some brothers then they come online, they write una inbox, greet una. At least try to read some of them. Try to ask questions about some of them. Not just ignore them. Some people in the way they come now to exploit you for nowhere way una troops then they. Example, Colonel Atajon don't receive more than 20 messages than lately. Some people then they ask Colonel Atajon, where is the Red Dragon base? We want to join the Red Dragon. You know how we give you strategies for counter this type of people. Then? When somebody come for you, can tell you for inbox, say he asks you some kind of sensitive information. No provider. Wait till you give the one and say, give the person a tasteful tax. Me try am. Example, person you want to join Red Dragon. If he come for you for talk for you, see, my brother, my sisters, them. Accept for them. Yes, you can make them to join the Red Dragon, but you need to taste their ability and capacity to see what they can do, and you give them a tax for them to do. That's so we get to taste these bad belly people the way they try to spoil this revolution by digging information and handing the information to La Republic, such as Padia Sanga, where he use Laurent Eso, they try to dig information with him, he and Ben Aki. So all these people, then we need to avoid them. So now the matter that we Colonel Atajon want to talk, will be sensitive and clever and smart. Same moment about these guys, then, because their own don't become something else. You understand, my brother, my sisters? So now the matter that way I want to talk about that. So Muna will refugees and so refugees they come for your inbox, ask you say, greet you greet them back, they greet you greet them. Now they will explain their situation of you, but then they ask you money. Some of them, honest ones, will say, please assist the refugee organization in this city. Please, it will help us all. But when as scammers, then they could come talk, say, I beg you, send me West Union. They could come tell you, say, send me West Union, direct. Now, wait that way, they could come tell you. So try to read all messages the way they send you for inbox, even though be your friend them. Read them, and you reply those sensitive ones them. Many of them have to testify, say, I talk with many people them. Inbox. Even when I did Bambi, I talk. If not possible, I talk after. So now the matter that I want to talk, so we'll try to do that one. Yes. Now, I drink Tongo, I drink water, then I shift now for next topic. So people always say, I did drink now, that beer. Ma show them wait till I did drink up. So that me they know begin to talk, say, Colonel Atajon did drink that beer, hose. Say they drink that beer, he did do this, do that. You know, see I'm not that water. Man, poor and the conquer talk, say, I don't drink that beer because wait till I go talk now, he gave a shake place them. So me no man, no, we can talk, say, drink beer. For talk with people. Okay. Now, Colonel Atajon, next point. After refugee, before I could go back, make conclusion for everything. Now about AGC. I will take these individuals for AGC one by one. I will start with AGC. Mark Barta. I will start with Anedi Looky Face. No matter na my schoolmate, we may be the UB. No problem. So, you know me say if you do wrong, they no go talk about it. Mark Barta, we want to tell you say me you be honest for the revolution. Una go see for comments then now how we ages is scammers they go start ratting. Ayaba don't disappear. Small Ayaba will start ratting. One day Mark Barata say me be honest with the revolution. Mark Barata, you know very, very well say Ayaba did do wrong for this revolution. You keep on the support Ayaba. Mark Barata, I don't talk many times about you. Say you distance yourself from Ayaba. You know the one because you are Ayaba, the share money back. Mark Barata, stop all this madness. Stop all this madness you are doing. Because it's not helping the revolution, but you are causing damage for the revolution. Example 1, Mark Barata, is there any difference between collecting Sunday school offering in the name of using it for ground zero and on the other side launching a new fundraising in the name of assisting refugees? Is there any difference between this, Mark Barata? Mark Barata, stop this thing. Stop whatever thing you are doing, Mark Barata. You the only your own interest, you the pretend no matter get followers them. You the constant camera camouflage them in the name of making money. Mark Barata, stop this. Stop this. Stop this. Mark Barata, it is unaccepted. Any fundraising through Mark Barata is unaccepted. Mark Barata, all the money for Sunday school fee, you don't ever bring accountability. You will tell me which refugee come, you don't send that money for the for Sunday school offering. You will tell me, you will tell Amazonians, them say which place you don't give this money, where is the money being kept? You never talk. Mark Barata, stop this. Stop this. There is a saying that 99 days for a thief, 1 day for the owner. Stop stealing, Mark Barata. And then if he ever asks to tell you this, I'm saying it to you like a child of God. Somebody who knows God. And the heart is in this revolution. Mark Barata, stop the nonsense you made fundraising. Because we know the purpose. We know how you're going to manage that money by using it for your personal use, sharing the money with people like Ayaba, Lawrence Ashamba, Sheikh. That is what you are good in doing. Somebody write nonsense comments, say the Sunday school offering was sent. Yeah, there is a nonsense comment. Somebody just wrote Juliana Obi Wilson. You write comments, say Mark Barata send that money. Wait, I catch your sense. Mark Barata, how much Colonel John did banking and finance? EUB. When Markasho says, Markachu, I want to give you a counter response. Ma give you counter response. Una di talk say Mark Barata send that money. Una di talk Nanjarba talk. You don't go collect 10,000. Go send 50. Is that sending money? Use logic and common sense. It actually say most of una do philosophy since has been the cheapest subject for this war. So una brace for that position. Ma clear for una. Mark Barata, bring accountability for all the money we collect for Sunday school offering. Bring us accountability for that. Bring we all accountability. No come tell me say Mark Barata send money. Who is fooling who here? Who is fooling who here? Is there any difference between Mark Barata sending part of the money and not sending part? Me show you which way do all the money. Me show we know the life that is in Europe. All we there for Europe. We know how much they pay rates. We know how much they make jets. for Europe. So no begin to tell me that Jaruba talk. No come tell me say you send all money. Me show we accountability. Accountability. Let him present to us income and expenditure of that money being collected from Sunday school offering. Let him table to Colonel Atajon and the Amazonians a petit cash book for that. No make a man overcall that type terms because I know say most of them no do accounting. So man who are broken for una broken down. Me Magbarata stop with the full we. Me stop with the full Amazonians. You shine your eyes. You just a Colonel Atajon the talk without doing investigation. How many weeks Magbarata do Sunday school offering? How much he collect them? How much he collect them? So we no try for cover Magbarata. Magbarata should present us an accountability, a petty cash book or income and expenditure for the money collected from Sunday school offering. We get statistics for other Sunday school offerings the way they do them. We the jot and down. We the jot and down. We the jot and down. Let Magbarata present it. Let Magbarata present it. Let Magbarata present it. When I no begin to talk, Mag go send small money. You will go collect plenty money. Go send chicken catch for it. We go call and say you don't send money. You don't send which kind of money. You don't send which kind of money. When a thief is a thief, a thief is a thief. If man thief, if you keep 10,000 euros here, man can't thief €1 inside native man. Man will thief all the 10,000 euros native man. That is it. A thief is a thief. No come begin to try to cover Magbarata. You recover Magbarata. Me present to Amazonians them. Colonel Atajon could cross-check their very accountability with the statistic of all money collected from Sunday school offering. I go cross-check them and I go vagash them. I go give a counter response for it. No come tell me, say man focus on land public. Oh, una the waste time talk say focus on land public. How many land public you don't put up 6 feet? No come compare your ability on weight way around do for ground zero. Oh, una the rats fear. Una never do 1/4 for weight way around one. I take the risks and go for ground zero. I domo for Bali checkpoint. Physically, we must feel blood 2 foot 2 hand. Wait till you don't do one. Wait till you don't do one. Ayaba don't do one. Mac don't do one. No, they never do anything. Una we come begin to make ba. No begin to compare me and them. Because at the talk with you are the do one. Sister Riser, wait where the write up comments or it no make sense. Magbarata bring we accountability for all the money. Who is fooling who? Who is fooling who? Me bring we accountability for all the money we collect them for Sunday school offering. Magbarata bring all the money, the accountability. When he bring all the accountability, then we go be able to understand the code in it. Forget all the thing. We want to see accountability. How much did you collect? How much did you send on ground zero? What was the purpose of the money? Was the money being used for this purpose? Did the money put down any land public? We need all this accountability. We need it. We need it. Present us an income and expenditure account. Magbarata, contact any accountant for Brussels. Me they provide you account. What me they give you full explanation of what it means, income and expenditure or petty cash book. If you cannot do that, show me how much we don't write up down. Say you be collect up this Sunday. How much you send up ground zero? How much you chop them? How much you use them For pay we for come life. Do up. Bring we all these statistics museum. Bring we all these statistics museum. I know like blind people, they be blind people, they become get the fuck up, get the support wrong thing for revolution. The revolution no be any room, no room for child play. No room for child play. My way in the try way for text me for my other phone. For text me for my other phone. When he text me for my other phone. In order to cover up with what he talk and also. Stop it. Do not text Colonel Atajon when he is live. Do not inbox me when I'm live on Facebook. Do not do this. Colonel Atajon does not look at any face. That is it. The only people when they get authority for contact Colonel Atajon when he is live is the Amazonia police. So, me no man no text me now. Now when I'm live until when I stop the live, if you text me, no text me again. Because if you text me, I could just vex show people them the message where they show me, they beg me with them. I don't want them. No text me again, beg me. And no beg me from exposing any people. No beg me. No beg me. Tell what they talk of IG. Some people they know they talk ba. Tell where you reach your talk of Mark Barata, a scammer. Would I go try way for cover up? Me, I made the cover no person. Because this is my own motto. And this is the motto of Amazonia Police. Do not text my other phone again. Do not text my other phone trying to tell me not to ask Mark Barata the accountability. Stop it once and for good. That is it. So, the topic is clear. Mark Barata present us income and expenditure. Or petty cash book for all the money collected from Sunday school. Anything where you do as a fundraising, na scamming Mark Barata. If your heart truly be for the revolution, channel all those money we want to say about assist refugees them. Channel all the money for the right place where the money go for the contact Sister Bongo, the Secretary of Health. If you give her that money, no begin to try to use fake thing them, but stiff people their money with them. Next person, Capo Daniel, you talk say the chop mommy cocoa in the scratch you. You already work at the rat. They post fake information. Try to sabotage the IG in any way. I'd warn you. Capo Daniel. I'd warn you, Capo Daniel. Me the thing stop. Capo Daniel, no try again, do it way do am. If you do again, wait way do am. All the your secretaries for Hong Kong, it could come out. I could release them next time when I come live. Anything we do am there, I could release them. All that lie say be engineer, I could move on. Or if you do any lie, I do warn you first before I come deal with you. Capo Daniel, we know say your heart be with AGC, scamming LTD, scammers group, AGC. See, no do any shit or ransacking thing again. Try to attack IG again. A word to a why is sufficient. So me they stop all the madness. Me Capo Daniel stop beginning attack individuals. He repost that stupid Eugene where he claims he go for United Nations, needed alone human rights, United Nations human rights, do this, do that. Me stop all that shit where they try to use them for attack IG with them. All the madness from AGC should stop, should cease from Capo Daniel and his mad people. This warning it is very, very serious. Capo Daniel, I know say you don't block me because you fear me. Real people don't block. That is why Colonel Atajon is not blocking people that insult him. Like Sirinasi, all the Ayaba, Yamafoka, Kuluba, all them, I need to block them. Because Colonel Atajon is very solid. He's solid like rock. Rock of ages care for me. So that is it. So now the thing that they talk about, Capo Daniel, where he don't go take his own commission, he chop him, he come go from Ayaba, he start being the support Ayaba, the tribe damage IG. being the chop, the fat. When the revolution be there, Capoda way be start, una look Mac Barata picture, look Jordan, the way be. Una look away start collect money for revolution. Una look the way Jordan off of fat. Look Capoda near yon. Look am the way they. People they suffer the die with ground zero. Una they bills begin the scam, sifting them. You know what talk some people come try to defend them. And also now una talk about una they use fake profiles them. They talk shit they would have. All this scamming must stop. All this scamming must stop. Mac Bartana scammer, Capodania scammer, Ayaba scammer, all of them scammers. Don't worry about anything. This my own effort now. No matter how they live for 2 hours while me, people must listen to this video more than at least. People the way they go listen this video, it could be at least 1,500 at least. And that 1,500 go share. Plenty people share. So no matter how long it is. So I know if you cut the matters they short because every day new strategies for people then they come out. Every day new scamming strategies they come out. All we more blockade all these scamming strategies them. Ayaba aka yamafoka kuluba. Ayaba aka yamafoka kuluba. You do waka kidnap people the ground zero, the waka collect money, being the enrich yourself with them. Ayaba. This madness over you, we know say your heart no the revolution, Ayaba. You the deal with Padia Sanga. You the deal with Jiken. All them. Now, evil people them. You the deal with them. All these people them. Now scammers them. You and them una the chop for one plate. Una scam, share money, chop them. Scam, share money, chop them. Scam, share money, chop them. You did pretend before Amazonians, they say your heart deep revolution. Why you are deeply for federation. Ayaba. You say Amazonians are fools. You did deal with Padia Sanga. You know it way all you are Padia Sanga. They wanna plan and text people from my phone. They talk am. Call me midnight for talk am no. You know all this thing Ayaba. Ayaba, grow up. Be a man enough. Fight in Mezam. If your heart is in this revolution. So now the Tina they talk him. Ayaba native man. He came in this revolution to steal and destroy. He came in this revolution to steal and destroy. That is it. Next thing. SCCOP Milan Atem. I want to make this official note warning me, all people they understand. Milan Atem and Ayaba, now them two, they say who leaders them. Fela Republic. Collect money, share them the chop. Una who talk say Ayaba, yeah, Milan Atem, they communicate. I sorry, una, they communicate. Una track Freedom Benji where they be arrest a phone number for Nigeria. You can know how we Milan give instruction for Freedom Benji. Ayaba the give them also. Una can understand what they talk. So now the matter this what they try to talk. My brother, my sisters them. Where it is where Milan came in this revolution to steal and destroy. Milan attempt to Gillian issue inside a hotel in Brigham, United Kingdom of Britain. He tell Gillian Eshu say, Gillian Eshu, do not overput your heart in this revolution because the revolution will turn down very soon, the opposite direction. When I say Gillian Eshu no feel like this very thing. If Gillian Eshu is honest, let her come out live and talk about this. Let her come out live and talk about this. Gillian Eshu, Ian Milan Atem, they know they get hand with Teria Popo. All them they get hand for the sale of our leaders. They know the trust with leaders them. Their heart be for the revolution. One leg in, one leg out. He does sabotage Partisan Wilfred. He name information. Coach Partner say Wilfred for Gillian issue before Gillian issue. In sortie, Gillian issue, you want food day here, one food day for outside. Now, they plant Black Mice, all of them together. So, Milan, Gillian issue, Teria Popo, they are very, very evil and demonic in this revolution. Their heart is not in this revolution. They came to steal and destroy also. Lastly, wait till Colonel Atajo they talk and before you drop down about SCYL of Dr. Ebenezer. Amazonia police they not reach SCYL many times in order to make sure say me SCYL distance himself from scammer Ayaba. So Dr. Ebenezer, Amazonia police know say your heart, you and Ayaba no become with them because I know your own effort for ground zero, Dr. Ebenezer. Dr. Ebenezer, please distance yourself away from scammer Ayaba. Dr. Ebenezer, distance yourself away from scammer Ayaba. He is using your name to make money for himself. Amazonians don't trust Ayaba because he's a thief. Ayaba is a thief who came in this revolution with Milan to steal and destroy. Who Milan and Ayaba saw our leaders to La Republic. I love you all, my beloved Amazonians. This revolution is real. Feel free to contact Colonel Atajon to have contact information of the wives of Mancho, BBC, Senator Pinterest, and many others family that you can help them with something. The revolution is real. Come rain, come sun, Amazonia must be free. Come rain, come sun, Amazonia must be free. I love you all, my beloved brothers and sisters. Stay focused. Fund my trip to Boya. Fund my trip to Boya. If you have any doubt about what I just said today, please feel free to contact Colonel Atajon on inbox. You are welcome. I love you all. Stay blessed. May the Lord bless you all.